it feels pretty nice. Feel this one. Oh, this is the purpley one. That's the pink one. I kind of like, I'll go with the purple. They have blue. I don't see the one that I wanted, I think. Oh, Michael's number 2. They have it?
Yes.
Yes!
I'm pretty sure I was looking at these ones.
It's beautiful. Well, this was going to be like my second choice.
Ooh.
This one is beautiful.
This is definitely why it named it Simmons.
Yeah. The orange is nice for fall though, but this is the one that I wanted.
Look, you can't see all of them.
The blue and the green is kind of nice. Good morning, everyone. So last night I got some yarn. I've been seeing a lot of posts about this new yarn that just came out. It is springtime yarn, so I'm actually going to make 2 different videos because there's 2 different yarns, and I'm going to do reviews on the 2 different ones that came out. And I am also going to crochet up a swatch so you can see what they look like made up, crocheted, and I'm going to knit up a swatch so you can see what they look like either crocheted or knitted to see if you would like them for a project maybe you have in mind. But the first one I'm going to review are these 2. So these are the Blossom Cakes. Super cute colors. I got the one that's more of a purplish. There's a lot of purple in this one. It's not showing up very well right now. Hold on. There we go. Against the white quilt. This one looks like overall more purpley. But it does have a mixture of pink, purple, almost bluish looking in some spots. But it's super cute. This is a new Caron Blossom Cake that came out. Super cute. I'm going to show you the information on this yarn. So it suggests using a J or 6mm crochet hook. It doesn't, okay, yeah. I don't see where, it just shows the crocheted suggestions there, but this is by Yarn Inspirations, and I believe it's only sold at Michael's, but don't quote me on that. I think that's how it is, but this color in particular is Blossoms. Oh, there we go. So for knitting needles, it suggests 5mm, and also for crocheting, it suggests 5mm hooks. This is supposed to be a medium weight yarn. It's made of 61% cotton and 39% acrylic, and it is 481 yards. The feel, it's actually very soft. It feels nice. I really like the feel of it. I think that yarn is interesting because it doesn't look like regular spun yarn. It looks almost like the little fibers it's made up of are interlinked. I'm not sure if you can see that very well. It almost looks like how rope or like a cording is woven together, sort of. But it feels really nice, and I'm excited to try this out. So this was the Blossoms color, and then I also got it in this pink color. It also has a little bit of gray in it, a little bit of white. I love this really bright pink area right here. So cute. And this color, this is the label. This is the same as this one, just a different colorway. So same needle and hook size suggestions. It's made with 61% cotton, 39% acrylic, 481 yards, and this is the color, there it is. This is the color pink grapefruit. So I am actually going to pull out my crochet hook. This one, what size was it again? They suggest 6mm. I'm going to use my 5mm one though. Just for, I actually don't know. I don't think I have a 6mm one, honestly. But I'm going to use my 5mm, and I'm going to make up some little swatches. I think I'm going to crochet this one, and I'll make a knit swatch in this one. I think, I don't know if I'm actually, well, I think I'm going to try. I did want to try making a bikini top with the purple, but we'll see. Maybe some bottoms, we'll see. But that would be in a separate video. Because I think cotton is really good for things like that. But for now, I'm just going to make swatches of these. Alright, so here is my quick little swatch of this yarn. The color transition is so gentle and pretty and soft. I really like it. The color's really cute. The yarn feels nice. So at the beginning of the swatch, I did single crochet stitches here. In the middle, I did half double crochet stitches here. And then I did double crochet stitches 2 rows at the top. It's very pretty. This is just going to be my sample, so I will probably take these out and I will be using them in a project, but this is a nice little example of what it would look like crocheted. It's very pretty. I love these colors. Okay, so now I'm going to knit a little swatch of this yarn, and I'm going to use my double circular needles, that's the name, because these are 5mm. I believe these are the 5mm needles that I have, but I'm going to knit it as if it's flat, but just use these just to make a little swatch. And by the way, I did 10 stitches across for this little test swatch, and I'm going to cast on 10 here as well. So I actually changed my mind and decided to do 15 stitches for the knitted swatch because 10 didn't seem like it was enough. So I cast on 15 for this. Okay, so this knitted swatch is turning out so beautiful. Major Enid vibes from the Wednesday show. So cute. But I'm actually going to switch to these flat needles. Because the cord is just kind of getting in the way and it being annoying to me while I'm working it up. So I'm actually going to switch to these ones. And these are US size 8. But I'm going to switch. Okay. my Tilly love. Oh, Tilly, my love. I think Tilly's been feeling pretty lonely because last night we took Bubbles and Buttercup to the adoption center. They have a good application in for adoption, so someone has been approved to adopt them together, which I'm really happy about. We've been really hoping for those two to get adopted together, and it sounds like they have someone applied, and it looks like a really good app, and they've been approved, so they should get adopted anytime now. I get they just have to have like an adoption coordinator come in to help finalize the adoption. It's going to be so fun. I'm glad they're getting a good home. But Tilly here, she's just chugging away with me. She's been crying a lot, and so I let her in so she could cuddle with me because she misses her friends. Poor little Tilly hasn't been adopted because she has some medical issues. Her bladder is deformed and she leaks urine, so we will probably just foster her for her lifetime. Because who wants to adopt a leaky baby? It's not your fault that you leak. It's not your fault. You're just the sweetest kitty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you're on top of my swatch. You're on top of my swatch, but it looks so cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Tilly, don't play with it. But look how cute this is. It looks like something Enid would wear from the Wednesday show. This swatch is just so cute. So I did garter stitch along the edges. So the first 3 stitches and the last 3 stitches are just knitted, so they make a garter stitch when knitted up flat. The first couple of rows were knitted in the garter stitch flat, and then in the center area I did stockinette so that it's flat here, and you see the V's. And then I went back to the garter stitch so that we can, oh, honey, honey, no, oh my gosh. So here's what the swatch looks like up close. This is the wrong side. I mean, you could use this as your knitting pattern, but generally, usually like the knitted side is the final nicer look, sort of. Oh my gosh, Tilly, you're being obnoxious. You're being obnoxious. But look how beautiful that swatch is. I love these colors. They're just, the transition between color to color is just so gentle and soft. It's so beautiful. I love these spring colors. Okay, Tilly. Okay, and here is what the swatches look like. So these are both the same type of yarn. These are the Blossom Cakes, the new Spring Blossom Cakes. This is the swatch that I crocheted. So these are where the single crochet stitches are. These are the half double crochet stitches, and these are the double crochet stitches. I used this crochet hook. And then for the knitted portion, I did start on other needles, but then I switched to these ones. But this is the garter stitch, where it's just knit across flat. And then the first 3 on each side of the stockinette stitch are garter stitch, just to kind of frame and keep it flat as I make it. And then this is the knitted side of the stockinette stitch. And then on the wrong side of my swatch, it's just all purled. This is what that looks like. It looks very nice. I love it. And the colors are so pretty. I love these. The pink with the gray, it's just so pretty. It almost looks purpley, the gray part, but some of it looks a little purpley, like grayish purple with the pink. It's so cute. Love it. And then I also really like this colorway so much. It's so pretty. So I think if you have any questions about this yarn, I didn't run into any problems. There's no like splitting or anything. The yarn seems really nice, and it's not like a spun yarn. Yeah, that's the right word. So it's not like it's spun. If you can see, it looks like these fibers are like woven together as if it's a cording. I mean, yeah. I don't know how else to explain it, but it looks really nice. It feels soft. This is mostly cotton, I believe it was. I think it was 61%, if I remember. Let me see. Yeah, so it's over half cotton, and then the rest is acrylic. Yeah, 39% acrylic. So it has a good cotton content, fiber content. It feels really nice. I think it'll be really nice for some lighter, summery, spring makes. What I'm personally thinking about making with these is I think I wanted to try a bikini top, maybe bikini bottoms, we'll see, and maybe like a crocheted tee is what I was sort of thinking of using these for if I have enough. But they're really nice. I like them. This is not sponsored. I went to Michael's last night and got these. And then I'm also going to do another video of reviewing these three. These are the cinnamon swirl cakes. I got 3 different colors there. I'm going to review those in a separate video because I am going to take the time to swatch each one as well. But that'll be in another video. These are just so cute. I love these colors. They're so happy and bright. This one definitely makes me think of Enid. And then I really like this because it's more of like a gentle purple sort of. There is a little bit of blue in there as well, but I think these colors are just really beautiful. Okay, that's my review. I really like this yarn, and I'm going to be testing it out in some projects that will hopefully be nice in warmer weather because it is 61% cotton, so it should feel pretty nice and breathable, I think. Anyways, that's it for my review. I really like the feel of it. I love the colors. There's also a blue version and a blue colorway and a green colorway that I would like to get, but we couldn't spend too much money, so I decided just to do 2 of these, and the 2 favorites out of the selection there was the purplish toned and then the pinkish tone. Okay, so thank you for joining me. I hope you have a good day. I hope this review was helpful. I think if you do have a Michael's nearby, just go ahead and stop by and feel them. I think they feel really nice personally. And yeah. Okay, bye.